Take a look at the cornfield behind me. The crop may look good, but don't let looks deceive you. Farmers are worried. We sent Vince Gerasole south of the city to find out why.
At first glance, as you listen to the tall corn stalks rustle, things might look as they should down on the farm.
The weather's just been a struggle this entire year.
But underneath is where you get to the root of the problem.
Come on, Mother Nature, take a break.
Fields are damp and wet, and heavy rains are making it soggier by the day.
Saturday morning when I got up, we had 6.5 inches.
The land here on Dave Kestel's farm is too wet to even think about getting heavy equipment out and stuck in the mud. So the Manhattan farmer takes pictures of his flooded fields and hopes they dry as he sits and waits.
I feel like a caged bull. I want to go and I can't.
An unusually wet spring delayed the planting of Illinois corn by about 5 weeks this year. So what you're looking at right now isn't necessarily ready for harvest. However, in recent weeks in the northern part of the state, heavy rains have pounded Illinois farms, and these farms are responsible for 2/3 of Illinois corn crop. It has farmers in the immediate Chicago area wondering if they'll be able to harvest anytime soon.
As far back as that wet planting season, when seed couldn't even be put in the ground, we've been following Kestel's struggles this year.
Are you worried about finances and being able to make it this year?
Oh yeah, that always runs through your mind. My paycheck's out in the field. If I can't go get it, that's a problem.
Only 4% of the state's corn crop has been harvested to date. That number is typically 30% by this time.
Mother Nature's the boss.
Downstate farmers have had more favorable conditions. Closer to Chicago, wet weather and an early frost are cause for concern.
We always want to be done, early November, but the chances that happen this year are really slim.
Still, Kestel plows ahead with the patience of a farmer.
I wouldn't trade this for the world. I'm living my dream. Am I getting rich? No. But do I love what I do? Absolutely.
In Manhattan, Vince Gerasole, CBS 2 News.